The MSI Raider 18HX NRE is a cutting-edge laptop featuring the Intel Core Ultra 9285HX processor. While this CPU has surfaced in earlier leaks, it has just now been identified in an AI benchmark, marking its first official mention. Although the benchmark offers minimal comparative insight, it does confirm the specifications of this MSI device. The Core Ultra 20HX is a premium enthusiast-grade mobile processor series tailored for gaming laptops. It features the LPG GPU cores, though limited to 4 cores per chip, mirroring the desktop variants built on the same architecture. The HX models have a default TDP of 55W, but gaming laptop manufacturers are anticipated to push the limits with higher boost configurations, potentially exceeding 20W when combining CPU and GPU performance. Since the 20HX is essentially a 20S on a BGA package with different power, thermal, and frequency tables, the flagship SKU still features the 24-core configuration 8P plus 160. The Ultra 9285HX maintains this configuration and is confirmed to have a base clock of 2.8 GHz. Unfortunately, no information is currently available about its boost clock, but other rumors suggest it might be 5.8 GHz.